How to mute video in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up CapCut on a device. Now wait for the app to open. Then tap on continue at the top right corner. Now give the permission if you want to. Then tap on edit at the bottom left corner. Now tap on new project. Now give the permissions. Now select the video and tap on add. Now select the video. Now at the bottom menu simply scroll to the right. Now tap on volume. Now set the volume to 0. Now tap on next and click on export at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.